Hello stalkers, welcome back. Let's start with DFM market index. I am on the daily chart. With today's red candle, we can see some weakness in the market. Closing is at 4,179, right into the resistance zone. If you are following me regularly, I have been mentioning this area is strong resistance, that is 4,185 to 4,200 points. Since market has taken a pause here, this clearly indicates yes, this is supply area. There are chances of a correction from here. Support area is at 4,140, that was previously a resistance. Market broke this zone. Now it's just hanging around the resistance. Other scenario can be maybe it can take another 2 to 3 days pause here and then it can break to the upside, exactly the way we previously saw into this zone. Whenever there is a strong resistance in the market, if at all market wants to break past, it's not easy because obviously there are strong sellers into the resistance. They want to offload their quantities. So what happens is market moves up. It slowly digests the sellers and buyers action here, and then when sellers are taken out, we can see a good momentum to the upside. Look at this example right here. This was the previous resistance, that is 4,015 points. Market went up. It was not able to break out in one go. It took so many days to adjust the momentum between buyers and sellers, and then finally sellers were dried out. Buyers got a clean sheet. They moved to the upside. So exactly we are seeing the same kind of scenario here. 4,200 to 4,185 is strong area of resistance. Definitely, as I mentioned, we will see some kind of negative reaction into this. Since market has moved up from 4,083 points without any correction, there are good chances it can come down, retest any of the support zones, and then it will try for a breakout. Overall, DFM market index is still positive. Even if it comes down for a correction, it should not be considered negative. It would be healthy. From here we can expect another new leg to the upside. Very nice closing in ADX market index, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. This is the daily chart. Again, we are seeing a very similar kind of scenario. Hit the like button if you are enjoying and learning from my videos. Look at this zone right here, that is between 9,120 and 9,160. This is strong area of resistance. Rally started from 8,975. We did not see any correction. It directly hit the resistance. It was not able to break past and even close above it. So what happened is it went sideways for so many days, maybe for 10 to 12 days. It just went sideways. It was just trying to adjust the upside momentum. It took out all the sellers, and then finally we are seeing upside momentum. Again, one more thing, when there is a strong resistance, the more it accumulates near the resistance, bigger the momentum. Look at this scenario. Market went sideways for about 10 to 12 days and we are seeing strong momentum to the upside. Good news is that 9,245, that was resistance, is taken out. We can see a solid green candle today, and from here there are still chances of continuation to the upside. Next area of strong resistance is at 9,352. Now the main thing is we want to see how the market moves up from here, whether it goes up, comes down for a retest again at 9,245, or it continues its upside momentum and tries to break 9,400 points. As of now, both DFM and ADX markets are interesting. There are very good stocks in the markets which are ready to fly and give us good profits, provided if you select your stocks correctly. This is the daily chart of Q Holding. Today it could not perform. We are seeing a solid red candle. We did not see strength in Q Holding today. Resistance now stands between 3.03 to 3.05. It's been trying to break out, but it's not able to do so. We know Q Holding is in a strong downtrend. It went through a strong accumulation phase. It took a base at 2.83 to 2.85 area. From here we are seeing a rally to the upside, but it was short-lived. We can say as of now with today's red candle, there are chances it may try and establish its base around 2.93 to 2.95 area, and from here it will decide its action, whether it wants to go up or it wants to come down to the base, that is 2.80 to 2.85. Looking at the price action, I think there are good chances it would like to go sideways from here. and then maybe it will break to the upside. Still, I am bullish biased on Q holding. The reason is simple, because we can see this area is tested multiple times but market was not able to break past, and fortunately last week we saw a solid breakout about 2.95, and I think this would be a second attempt to retest the same zone. After the breakout, market came down for a retest. We saw good buying pressure exactly into the same zone. Previously this was resistance, now it's acting as a support. We confirm buyers are here, they are defending this zone. So there are chances again it may want to come down for a retest, then it will decide the direction. Or in other scenario, if at all it wants to protect this zone, then tomorrow it should open with a gap up so that this zone becomes the base, and from here it may try to break out and close above 3.00. So this was the quick update for today. Hit the like button if it was helpful. Thanks for watching. Keep stalking.